Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we show you how to insert a text box in OneNote step by step. If you want to organize your notes better and add flexible text anywhere on your page, this tutorial is for you. Now, on your OneNote dashboard, to insert a text box, all you have to do is click the part where you want the text box. As you can see, there is no text box insertion option in your toolbar. You cannot insert the text box from there. But to do it, all you have to do is click on the part where you want to add the text box and then start typing. As you can see, this will create a text box. You can insert it right away by just clicking. You can click anywhere on your dashboard notes. This will easily create a text box by clicking anywhere on your OneNote page. This tutorial will help you use text boxes in OneNote so you can freely move information within your notes. It will guide you through selecting the text tool, adding a text box, and customizing it for better note organization and presentations. And that's it. Now you know how to insert a text box in OneNote.